was too high for Steve.
Throw it for us to the right side. So pick up, I guess who? Yao. I'm on fire. Reminds me of my property.
Ababa Jubon, Abdul Karim, what your question, what your Ali Muhammad, Ali Jasso, House of Abdul Karim, what the ball, what you put at the wall, see, anyone fifth, you know.
Oh, no, my name, I'm a you should say, when you new guys born, you I'm not
yes, I like the way you control me for sure.
Sure.
For the crowd,
I sound like born now, you know, more born than 4 born, yeah.
For the crowd, phobia, Martin Baccaria, so phobia, the Nasu Tabi, Rafisi, sorry, Bono and the far. Number 2, so Namema Depot, Jimano Ranki, but now born so, Patrick here to Koroko for the morning call, Nasu Tabi, House of Folk, the floor will tower phobia penalty. Referee say goal kick. And goalkeeper National Kamara Chino. Beautiful display from goalkeeper Kamara. Achibano, it wasn't a penalty. Okay. Kamara is a very good goalkeeper. Who would want to see Chibano? Nakabon match with the National. Alcohol, 18 years old to Nechi, 18 to me, Sancho body game, and I imagine for, but look at the world, cheap ball, I want to lie of Guinea, and the world power Ghana, Border Cry, ASANTE KOTOKO, Border Cry, Kotoko, what a pass, Kotoko, Border to referee for what he was here, a troll, and content of the Saka, and content of the Saka. He called the theater of the sector. Kumasia ASANTE KOTOKO. Enter from a cover of multimity. Koroko the form. A cover of multimity. I'm a quite fee. House of four player back with the form. Graphics Mumareno. Water form. Graphics Momrana Mumareno. Graphics Momra na Mumareno. Accra House of Folk. Accra House of Folk. Winter. Jatuja Kensiano so House of Folk play by Cobra. Frank Abora Doku.
Yes, I can say
Ghost Color PA. Frank Abora Doku PA. Frank Abora Doku PA. On the show go no.
The definitely ultimate end.
It has area change.
Too bad because such a crucial match. We saw more has an game that. And the first game all ball against Kotoko. Now when your first goal, when a history Emma player now, I never remember Yan say on one man. There were a lot of players on one has a Shibo Popon, but when we the most important idea about affecting but we are no that 34 no also a very good player. And in this case, you know, has voted for no team here, the question meaning we share ball or more air ponwa. I was say as an for no extra careful. Without force Asono and Yada Papa. Hamza Wabamuno, also a very good player. Hamza is very good player. And he commands on the microphone, came on more airborne, also Mumani Taho, so Mupia party. I was saying, Mumani Edo, and this idea has a folk and a second one, or more able to me, Ashe.
House of Folk and a second go back to me, Ashe. Goalkeeper Muhammad Kamara, Wano and Ebabono, Wajemu, Muhammad Kamara, will come on as it did the Bonaco. Kamara,
on pen master. On pen master.
Kamara Poponachi Bono Ecordia Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO House of Folk. Nice control from Phobia. Referee say a throw and confrontia. Accra House of Folk. Referee say confrontia Accra House of Folk. Phobia. Ashabaku Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. Abrantia Zakaria Fisenia Bobo Bumadia Chimo. House of Folk Ababa Jibono. Abrantia Abdu Karim. Samba Ona. Wapiaria Manjimanual entry. Entry Jemu Debi. Entry Samba Jiboni Bim. Entry Bosuria. Abetamwa. Borway Koyagarite Mama. Accra House of Folk. Abetamwa Bon Koya. Who Adama Phobia. Accra House of Folk 1. Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO 0. 4 minutes. And Frank Abora Doku Atwatana Remarka.
Good party, on settle ASANTE KOTOKO for, but I'll give you say so now. Omoni has moved forever. Mother soon to be a pig of Mukra. With me and Momos at baby, supply balls on my habit. Any Pampugua. Did say they can turn things around for Kumasi?
They can turn things around for Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. My co-commentator Frank Kwaku Osai Winter. Bonnie Tro Cordiama House of Folk. Amakwa Befia Tubano. Cordia ASANTE KOTOKO. I was Santa Second Swape. Accra House of Folk and your Tro. Johnny our Facebook as a bar 102.5. Amakwa Befia Traso. Bonnie Kwampoku. Jeremy Jimano Lanky. Ethiopia, Abatamwa ni Bobo, o control na efe. Koroko Shaibu Ajibono, Wapion and Sudabi, House of Folk for you born at the floor. Etracorium, Bonne Krasamba Ona, Wajamuyama, Zakaria Fuseni, Zach, former Procum Chelsea defender, Wapiadiama Shaibu Abubaka, Koroko number 2 on the ball, Koroko Fuanya 2B, your friend Shaibu Abubaka. Oniball ball
was the near dinner. And Ocean High thing in a question, Frankaman, Papa, those days, Ocean number 2, a dinner. So the Bobby Sandal and was sent for when it's what every year, Papa, you could cry again, Capra. And the Chibuno, I quite say, Frankaman look alike. And the witness say, oh, the best of Ghana's posted.
Zakaria Fusenia King, J. Bonnie Modia Kwakoma. Our brother Adabo, a Chobona say, Asiedu. Patrick Asiedu, David Dauda Saka, Wajemu, Edema Patrick Asiedu, Ayafare Cordia, Patrick Asiedu, I can't get home. Ayafare Cordia, Patrick Asiedu, Bono, Emu Ayate, Emu Ayam Demo, Kotokota form, a couple of 31 minutes. Akasima Besadu 9. Refa Fabia to turn off any kind of an year. Benjamin Asari. Pia Bonadia Kokoma Ali Muhammad. House of Folk for the Bonepa. Ali Muhammad. House of Folk. Beautiful play from a good tackle from Kotoko defender. Wencha, but on my body. Oh, Ubakas one channel where your mouth body. Oh, also, yes. Aha. Michael said, where is your brother say, Little Messi Visa. One man body to ball. Aha. Somebody on the trouble and say the trouble. The Tracovium Kwapoku. Hey, a Tracovium Panay. House of 4 people. Boy. Aye, a trequovium, born a crap, ASANTE KOTOKO. Patrick Asiedu, my goodness. Patrick Asiedu, I can't believe it. Opiadi one watching Benjamin Asari, which now born to Swapiadia Kwakoma. Abrantia Kevin Osaya, Bediaman Kwabefi, beautiful play from Fabian Subana Kodi Kotobo. Bonne Krabatamwa or Pepampoku, Kwampoku, Kwambaye, Kwampoku, Kotoko, Debbie, Jimanulanchi. What are you waiting for? Jimanulanchi. Now, Kokranamania, son of Bobon, Abatamwa, beautiful play. When we're Batamwa, was switch up and make for the no.
So we took
Who's all your winger?
I was made for that break. And experienced players. I won't feel for the way. We meet me at 2 balls or the form of Pecati. Again, over to my head. So a winger, I think those days drop back or striking a good year to but deep into the defense of a point. Most answer a big game. So that is the instructions that coach Eric or the Amapumasi ASANTE KOTOKO boys. What the form to take that? I was born with me.
Okay,
a defending attacker.
Kevin Osasipe, a chairboard, good tackle from Kotoko. Jimanulanchi.
And I said, by Emmanuel entry, the boy am fair. But I can't get okay, it's really dead to do. Walk a crowd when you find player. I can't go Europe above all. But Trimudano, I say, you're too much. The boy fair, the ball control, the passes. But the baby, that's why you're slow. But now, I said, if you class a tough match. You understand? I don't think the man watching for your bench for the second game against good Lions. These are some of the things. So far, 34 minutes from Abon, Otega. Game no at that form. Kotoko for a ball. Has to move for the day. A Pokemon.
Not just and no, I yourself are going to a simple now. Yes, I before Sano, a Konadi, Nabati, Kotoko for the one call. Jimanulanchi. My goodness. Jimanuel Anchi. Well, Pompo is a piano. And you are too bad. When you want a ball, but I can't as a coach is meeting what you as in the Casa. I was going to go play because Bola open the stadium. Sequoia, that's a little bit of blasters. And at 20 and 23, now with me a ball, so qualifying with you can play. But this attitude, Sao way, get ball amount as a winger. Now, Upedawana, open anyhow. I don't understand. Open it just like that. As if be a fan of and then to pay all pack to the idea. Now, may my idea for a whom said the Emmanuel entry is to bind Accra House of Folk, one more Shabaku Koroko Timinti. Accra House of Folk, Shabako, Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO, Timinti. Joshua Gon Wapie Frank, Abora Toku Bonekra, ASANTE KOTOKO. Shaibu Abubakar taking throwing. I'm planning Aziz and some born in Obono. What did I taking throwing? What to anyone I call? Their Kwakoma Brante at the ball. Bonne Krakoko. Beautiful time from Jimanulanchi. What Jama Koma Patrick Aziedu. Dauda Saka. Patrick Aziedu. Dauda Saka is not born so. Former Bofakwa United player. Dauda Saka. Nelson Cross no Amwa. Bonabedi. Accra House of Folk, beautiful. Referee for Radiamophobia. A frontier. Referee for Radiamophobia. What if for Radiamophobia House of Folk? Phobia 1. Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO 0. Oh, Frank Abora Doku is a very good player. Was your first go out of four back to 1 year born? Honorable ball out of my goodness. What be any one has a four player number 1 out of 3. Bonekra, Adabo Kotoko, what any Kamakama, Adabo Bidiamano, Hilary Adabo, ASANTE KOTOKO, Jimanulanchi Kotoko, Kwampoku. But Bono, I am offside. No more. Benjamin Asare. Ballway. Benjamin Asare.
Not stretch room. It was a tight angle. No, if they are striking ever call for point. And also, I saw pressy ball. One, you know, just for someone more at once. You understand? In the offside, still a tight angle. Kwampoku and Yaboni is when you're born in Ukraine. But still now, the game is open because Kotoko has for Enyago. As a chance to be answered that Kotoko keep an answer. As a Kotoko a dominating play, no, see, as a folk, any chance, a boss here. But Osha, I say 2 teams in the morning now, like Medford. Yes, Medford. 2 teams in the morning now. Yeah, Medford. It's a young woman goalkeepers. I got some more holiday. Yeah, something like that. Over ball now, 2 morning now, Medford ball. Ball of crack, Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. Beautiful play from a class of folk. Beautiful play from Fabia Ali Muhammad. What a fantastic display from a class of folk defender. Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali Bumbumaye. Where you from? Muhammad Ali Bumbumaye. Matoma Wanchida. Blessing born mama born let's say 5 seasons or I say 6 seasons. I will team more. It just we say natural, you know. Omo gifted, omo talented players. These are some of the players they know our house and the you see the other yes come player 2x4 we another in them team no then go no house. Born crack come see ASANTE KOTOKO samba ona. But born media come Shaibu Abubakar. Hey. Shaibu Abubakar. Next born abedi across folk. George Paku, beautiful play from Fobia, Akodi Ali Muhammad, Jebu Kama, Diakwa Ransford, Joaquin House of Folk Nepa, Fobia, what the one I watch for Bonekra Adabo Hilary, Onusu Ewu, House of Folk, they started well, but I see so much time on the Yamakotoko. They started well. Now, so folk, almost starting the for the Yago. But I see I'm going to game. Mose, a brave bass, Omushe Guru, Omo Etoko, so I appreciate ASANTE KOTOKO. Here in the case, you know, Mose, one player, I bet one pop back into the midfield. And the Omo crowded has to go for match, has to go for our midfield. And Oshe won a double and a Emmanuel entry, and then Kwamboko at a point, Utimipa deep ever supported. And the Ebasana, in terms of experience wise, you know, Omo, I was strong a chain, has to folk a place, you know. That is why I won this anno, Oma crowd midfield, you know, and said a bonus echo, to see and ever got the air, then has to go for pressure by the dog. So, one player, a man ASANTE KOTOKO, Aquapoticano, not Aquapay 1 before. But nobody good decision from the referee, and you're offside. Good decision from the referee. And you're offside there, Kodia Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. ASANTE KOTOKO Shebi Asofo Kwashabako. 42 minutes, NEA. 42 minutes of soccer action. Ago TV. Usha match no Ago TV. Sansuana Kasapa 102.5. Accra House of Folk. Oh, for more the brain. What more than no? Fobia Babadi House of Folk. Beautiful play from Fobia Ranford. Fobia and you're offside. Fobia. Now should I be? For you born at your free hall. Born at Jericho Pampoku. Pampoku Tenny. Pampoku. Or the Bona question of Patrick Asiedu. Akodi Samba Onel. ASANTE KOTOKO the Boneba. Born Kotoko number 4. Beautiful play. Adamo Hilary. What you know, bonus so ya one referee to us Adamo. Wapia Kotoko Pampoku. What a display from Asibe. What a fantastic display from Kamina Asibe. Beautiful defending. Yes. We are the rock of the Breta. Yes. Hey, Kamina Asibe. Born across Samba Ona. Okay, yeah, we just good soccer. Yes, what's the catch now? We see the ball at the a busy da. Border crowd, House of Folk, goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. House of Folk, no, I am ready. House of Folk, Benjamin Asari, I'm going to 33. Minion comes in me 33, 40, 40 goalkeepers, 40 year goalkeeper with that pool. Okay, Minion comes in, but from the look of things, no. Second of all, can you say Kim as embassy? Say, how to go find you know, I'm from a come on, you two are. Kotoko for mo ntomo onto say referee be pon. Kotoko for emfa ema omo ntomo kra. No mutika ne say Kim, I'm expecting Abet and then Kwampoku to get goals. Either two. Yes, either two.
I like the partnership. Ali Muhammad and Vikavin or Saisibe. The promo partnership no. Omupokwa ebe weke momo. Mara bobo si Kwampoku ape. Nansu nikie to be aka. Bone krakuru wasi Asante Kotoko. Amachina bone so. Abatamu apia nansu debi. Beautiful play from House of Folk. Abrante Abudu Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Referee watching for the attack. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The ball area live on Ago TV. Kasapa 102.5 Radio 360. Ago FM. Bode Cracker House of Folk. House of Folk. Abudu Karima Chupa kwa Chubiano. Wajebonimo. Wana Kokoma. David upon a funny. Nice play from House of Folk. Phobia everybody call. Martin Kakari at Raporto. Kakari. Watene. What the Bona Quache. Phobia. Bonacra. Abudu Karim. Oh, I love Abudu Karim. What a beautiful midfielder. What a fantastic midfielder. Phobia. Hey! La Muhammad Belai is Belai. Henkaka House of Phobia the second goal. What a beautiful play.
Oh, T20. Messi ball has over. Football
Abudu Karim is a fantastic midfielder. That tall guy. Oh, control midfielder at the Marca House of Folk. Look at this ball. House of Folk are playing beautiful football. But yes, 3 minutes to be on. It's all about phobia. Referee here, Basimabino, Bonacra phobia. Hussein Muhammad, Watene, what I call common midfielder. Aquadi ball. Aquadi ball to carry. Boy, you're very good midfielder. Bonacra House of Folk. What would the body call phobia? Nanso Kotoko Babaji. Bonacra, Kumasi Asante Kotoko Yimana and Chabona say, hey, offside. Good decision from referee. Bridgeland calling someone 46 minutes. I can't 1 minute. Now I say I can't see no fairly kind of happen one way. I can't also for one. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0. I can't also for one. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 0. Beautiful game. Mama Mia, Rashid Adams was ever going to Woody House, US, no, a quarter home was his Yawachi. Rashid is a quarter wachi. Some of my dad said me, New Jersey, and I'm referee, the occasion of Freddie Carnaval, referee, Bridgeland Collins Abua, Washena Bank. Area cancer of Freddie Caravan away. A class of folk, your shack cancer as you see one night. And on which your first squad. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Anti, Gogipa, or you go to Massa or you
say, Antis, the guy in 1982, African Cup of Nations of Senegal, Oka Alengwame, Sir, Cote d'Ivoire for goalkeeper. One was a tower of a bomb. No, there were 2 goals. I don't say, you do another. Viviane, in the channel, he also wear a blast after 1 morning. The group say, I'm going to a pen. I'm going to a pen. But you witness a good soccer, you know. First half, you witness a good soccer. But another catch, would you over your pay?
Yes.
Now, Bola has worked for and goal stars at 4, you know.
House of Folk defense, midfield, solid.
House of Folk for by 2 goals. And 2 goals, you know, make you say, oh, my take back. Now, second half, I was also take back money. This is the spirit of Africa.
Mate. Ɔsɛ kɔkɔmi tabi di
Diema Trapattoni abaso. Giovanni Trapattoni.
Giovanni Trapattoni Masudi Giovanni.
Yes, I was saying Panabasu Yeba.
Yes,
What's the team?
yes.
Nabaka was no diablo.
Yes, Masudi Giovanni is a very good friend. Wabo Juma Yepa de Amaphobia. The day my care to forward to my friend Ariel Ortega. Offer Tosumi and no Moba. Yabasai at the comment to know to me at the Amamo. Across for 1. Kumasa ASANTE KOTOKO 0.
One nice, brilliant 1-2 from Emmanuel Enchu and Kwame Opoku, but then I think Emmanuel Enchu delayed the pass a bit, and Kwame Opoku was in motion or was a yard ahead and offside against the Warriors. But then gradually they're building up, just that maybe now they should have come some 10 minutes ago, and maybe they would have had that shot on target.
Long ball headed out by Samba O'Neal and out for a throw-in. Throw-in it is for Fra. To recall, there was a Yao up for Kampuku. On the ball now, Doris Saka, Dauda on the ball, passes poor. And back on the ball though, he finds entry. Good ball from him looking for Kampuku. And a calm defender, very, very calm on the ball always. Karim clears his line for Hasselfolk and out to go for a throw-in.
Good defending yet again. Brilliant play from ASANTE KOTOKO. They are able to find Emmanuel Enchu in that 10th position, and when you're able to find him,
Mohammed Ali is there. Zakaria Husseini, he finds Samba O'Neal. Samba on the ball for the fabulous fraternity. Looks for options. Press to the right side to Shaibu. Abubakar Shaibu on the ball now. Again, so on the far side, he finds George Paku, Mohammed.
well, I mean, overconfident, and in moments that Kotoko have built up some momentum, have had some good play, and are putting a lot of pressure on the full defense. I don't think this is what they need at this moment. It should have been a part.
An arm, one elbow somewhere in there. Obviously, play will have to go on.
Clearly off and then coming to challenge for the ball, but then good work from one to Philos.
Ball in a Kotoka half, the career will save it. The career, Kotoka has mechanic again. Paku on the ball now. Paku finds Ransford. Cross comes in now. Headed out by Asiedu. Entry on the ball with a clearance. A good one from him. He finds Kampuku. Kampuku on the ball now. He controls the ball. He has to go by Dato. He finds Asiedu left back. Asiedu on the ball now. Very few for him. He gets one. He's prepared to.
I mean, he's been that man for the occasion for them. No wonder coaches started him in this game. They know the threats that ASANTE KOTOKO carry, and in games like this, he's shown that he has that super ability in that 1v1 situations, and then again, he's up and doing.
Benjamin Asare comes on as goalkeeper.
Again, that 10th position that I talked about, Kotoko finding that ball in that area, and men moving forward. And this time, Governor says today was up and doing.
43 minutes done. Almost time for the first 45. I tell you what, they're going to have 2 minutes by the time in this first 45 minutes. Referee infringement. For Hasselfolk, SCB finds Mohammed Ali. Begin to fall in love with that partnership of SCB and Mohammed Ali for Hasselfolk. Back of Mensa. Good ball from him to Hussein. Flick the ball on, but nobody particular. As Kamara is out to save his goalie for Kotopo.
For me, I think that the new pairing, new player Mohammed Ali, and a lot of Hasselfolk fans have been talking about that. Well, I mean, a lot of tests ahead of them. Let's see if they can handle. But then
if Asari should, even if Asari is dying, in our time, Samanaji was my roommate. So if somebody should tell me, Charlie, this match, I have malaria, I cannot keep. You will not keep what? No, he knows what. He will not keep what? No, okay, so who should go and keep?
Knowing that you are.
Thank you. I will ask you who should go and keep. And immediately I tell other colleagues, they will come and say, Sammy, I'm not going to say blah, blah, blah. You will not keep. So who should go and keep? You keep. Yeah. Because you are our number one. Because therefore, if Asari is dying, it should be put to a coffin and no. You see, it's very serious. Come and place in the post. Because Asari's coffin alone, Opoku and Albert see Asari's coffin alone. It's scary. You know what I'm saying? So you don't afford to say malaria, therefore you will not come and keep. And that is what this guy has done.
When it comes to coalitions.
But it's not
someone's problem.
It's not coalition. It's a no.
I wish we can get the video.
Exactly.
The 50-50 ball that he has.
So guys, we'll definitely go for the video, but then let's quickly go over to Mo Shaban. I mean, I think he's brought the drawing board. He wants to do something a few on it. So Mo, carry us through, and then let's find out what really you have for viewers.
Yeah, so I want to do this exercise with the legend Yaman Kwame, and we'll look at the statistical aspect of the game and its impact. Let's not forget that before the start of the game, I said Hartlepool and Didi Dramani have scored in each of their games. So it was obvious Haas was going to score. But then Frank Ibraduku scored for Hartlepool in his first game, and again he's managed to score again for Hartlepool anytime he starts. So an advantage for the Phobians. It's been a while that they've signed a striker who is a good poacher. He signed from Vision FC, and last season he did not score so many goals, and it became a debate. A lot of people were talking about Frankie Buraduku, that a striker that scored 3 goals in the just ended season, how was he going to fit in the heart of folk setup? But the coach really knew what he wanted to do with Frank Ibraduku. Now, let's not